They take a virus, they modify it, they inject it in the eye, and it can save vision. Sounds like science fiction, but it's actually not. That is the modern technology of gene therapy, retinal gene therapy to be exact. That's the type of therapy that we have been fundraising for at A Race Against Blindness. So I want to tell you a little bit about how this type of gene therapy works. This has actually been an FDA-approved therapy for one cause of blindness. Leber congenital amaurosis has a version of that gene that has been replaced by gene therapy. That treatment is called Luxturna, and it was the first FDA-approved gene therapy for inherited retinal diseases. They take a viral vector. It's a delivery device of sorts. It helps them take the missing gene that patients are born without, they hook it onto the virus, and then they inject it into the eye, and then the virus helps deliver that gene to the place it needs to go. The important thing to know about virus, when I say virus, is it's a modified virus that doesn't cause disease. It doesn't cause a cold. It doesn't cause any other symptoms. It just does its job getting into the cell. It doesn't have any other adverse effects usually. It just helps get that missing gene into the eye. That's where the science fiction part kind of feels like it's kind of not real. It can't possibly work. But that's exactly how they get the missing gene into the eye, is through a viral vector. Once that viral vector has delivered the missing gene, then that helps restore the normal function of the cell. It's like having a missing building block. You have this building that if you take one part of the scaffolding out, everything will crumble and not work. That's how the retina is working. But if you take that missing building block, put it back in, now the building can have its normal function and everything can return to normal function. That's the kind of concept of gene therapy at a very simple level. It's fascinating. It's amazing what they can accomplish, and it is on the cusp of helping save the eyesight of many more people with different causes of blindness. This is the early stage of gene therapy pushing forward, but I want to give you guys just a little bit of an overview of how gene therapy works.